What's good, goats? Welcome back to another video. Today's video we're going to be installing the spoiler onto the M3. So with no further ado, let's hop right into this video. Alright, so before we get started with anything, I just want to show you guys what I'm going to use to remove. The first thing you got to do is remove your OEM spoiler if you have one on your car, which is this little tiny lip right here. What I got to do that, you can use knifeless tape, but I got some twine from Home Depot, and I got some gloves, some thick gloves, so the twine wouldn't cut my hand. So let's get to taking this off. Also had the car sitting in the heat for about all day basically, so we're gonna let the heat help us, and you're also gonna need some glue gun to take off the adhesive, but let's get started with it. So here comes the part that I was telling you guys about. If you guys see all this right here, it's all adhesive. So now we just gotta get some glue gun and just peel this joint off. Alright, so I finally got most of it off. As you guys can see, I kind of messed up my bumper a little bit, but I'm not really caring much for it because I know my spoiler is gonna go right over that. And there's still some kind of residue left. I wasn't able to get all of it off. I'm telling you guys, I've been out here for about an hour and a half going at it. I got as much as I could off, so now I'm just gonna do the other part, which is putting the adhesive on the new spoiler. Let's do it. Alright, so I just finished putting it on. As you can see, there's no wiggle room. This thing it's on there, it's sturdy. The only thing is I kind of messed up right down here. I put the tape on and I couldn't get that piece off. Like, there's still red pieces in there, but I think it's fine. It ain't going nowhere. It's chilling. Nothing is lifting up. All the corners is down. So well, change of plans. I thought I was gonna be able to go down to Eddie and get the car washed today, but it looked like it's about to rain, so we're not gonna get the wash done today. We're definitely gonna get it done tomorrow. But that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go downstairs, hit that like button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram @DiversDJ, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Y'all be safe, you hear me? Peace.